Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shehzad Indus. Today I am introducing three child journalists, Rishan, Nuba and Nisa, and they are sharing their experience with us. They are very wise, well-thought citizens of Bangladesh. I am flooded with joy that they are the future citizens of Bangladesh.
Hi, I'm Rishan. Today I am going to talk about the COVID situation in Bangladesh.
Hi, I am Nuba. Today I am going to talk with Rishan about his life in lockdown and his situation in the COVID period. I can't wait to know about your experience in pandemic.
I am feeling my life during the lockdown like the other people's. I think sharing my feelings with you is not only a great opportunity but also will be helpful for my community as well. A lot of children dropped out of school, child marriage rose, a lot of girls are becoming the victim of domestic violence. Most of the people of our country is poor, so they aren't able to buy mobile computer, internet, so they can't learn remote education. They don't have even opportunities to stay active, healthy, and creative when stuck at home.
You only discuss the poor students of Bangladesh. Do you think the students who are comparatively rich, their studies haven't hampered by COVID? Will you share your valuable opinion with us, please?
Yes, I think all type of students are suffering from the virus. The students who are comparatively rich, their studies are also hampered for the virus because of the schools, colleges, universities and other educational institutes are closed for the virus. Though online classes has started, I think online classes is not as effective as regular classes. Many students are becoming addicted in playing games during COVID because they can meet or play with their friends. They can't go outside and they can even go to entertaining places like parks, playgrounds, restaurants, etc. because they're closed.
Thank you Nuba and Rishan for sharing your experience with us. Now we will listen from Nisa about her experience about nice, beautiful and safe environment for the children like it was before the pandemic.
Thank you for giving chance. All students should be given the right to take vaccine of COVID-19. The government has already started giving the students COVID-19 vaccine who is more than 12 years old. Every school should maintain cleanliness such as washing hand sanitization, wearing mask, maintaining distance. Students drop out from school can be reduced by giving stipend for the poor students. Children should be involved adequate recreational sports, entertainment and creative activities to improve their mental health. I think their addiction in mobile can be stopped by that. If necessary, they should give counseling by the specialized doctor.
Thank you Rishan, Nuba and Nisa for sharing your valuable experience with us and for giving your valuable time for the viewers. We hope that we will get back our beloved world soon.